Alright, today's free Lightroom preset is named Film Style. We're going to take a look at that, and then we're going to jump into the creative flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's take a look at our image, ISO 500 100mm f5.6, and check out our free preset. There we go. Really nice editorial and detailed work like this. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. All right, now we're going to go to the creative flow. Down here we have the film emulation folders. But if we go to lifestyle, there is some nice styles here too. So let's go down to analog. Really nice. Different variations like that warm tone. Look at that one before and after. Really nice. We're going to go with the top one here, and you'll notice two things. You get an adjustable preset and you get the profile included. So let's say we want to dial back maybe the preset to 65, and we still have the profile here. So you can use the profile on its own, or you can mix and match different profiles. We have some chroma profiles here. There's like a K64, that's like a Kodachrome. But we're going to go back into lifestyle, and maybe we're going to bring in that warm one because that was really nice. So we've got the analog preset, and we've got the analog warm profile, and then we can even dial that in to where we see it works best. So I'm just going to dial that to 20. Let's check out before and after. Here's before, and here's after. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset, and I'll also put a link to the creative flow, which includes over 1200 Lightroom presets and 1200 Lightroom profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.